Manny Pacquiao isn't immune to this. He's been knocked out. He's been hit like he's been knocked out cold. I thought when he got knocked out by Marquez, I thought he died. It was that scary.
Yeah.
Hindi ko naman itatago eh. Concerned din talaga ako kay Manny Pacquiao sa pagbabalik niya sa professional boxing at sa July 19 na kay Manny Barrios. At usap-usapan ngayon ito sa Amerika, no? At mukhang parang talagang tuloy na to, although it hasn't been really made officials. A lot of concern about, of course, his age, ang tagal niya hindi nakalaban, pero kilala natin si Manny Pacquiao eh. Talagang pag gusto niya gagawin niya, and ang dami niyang nagawang bagay na sa tingin natin hindi niya kaya. Ang siguro sa akin lang, wish ko lang, Manny, sana mas makafocus ka dito sa laban na to kasi parang ang ikli na ng oras at syempre yung edad natin. But 100% ang suporta ko sa iyo. I just hope makapag-focus at makapag-train. I'll be there to watch you, to support you, and I think kaya mo pa. Basta lang, yung worry lang natin, walang life altering injury na mangyari kay Manny Pacquiao. Good luck, Sir Manny.